Huh?
Don't have one on bed on top of it.
What happened when you on bed there? Oh, yeah.
Look what happens right here.
Oh, yeah. This is going to be funny because they don't smoking real bad this morning. Well, I mean, they don't smoking. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, I know it's been smoking.
What he say when he saw.
Oh, yeah.
What he say when he saw.
Yeah. He said he seen one that was like that, except it wasn't that bad. I'm kind of hoping to snap off, and I'm kind of hoping it don't. Just for the hell of it. Just like I just talked about. Yep. That's how I was driving this morning. You gotta watch out, it might snap on you.
You hear that beautiful sound? That's a beautiful sound. It's called rhythm.
Oh yeah, man, how about my catalytic converter inside is messed up already too. It didn't roll that bad when I was driving. I mean, shit, it ain't. Well, this is pretty much it. Deuces. Oh, poor little car, man.